What's going on, guys? For today's video I'm going to show you BAT engine mounts. This is 1.6 diesel Volkswagen Golf Mark II, and we do have one right here. There's the second one. And the third one. This one. And the front one. They need to be changed, so stay with me and watch the video and watch for movement. I will show you how BAT engine mount look. BAT engine mounts. Watch for movements, guys. It should be solid. Can you see it? So there is another one right here. So watch again for movement. It should be solid. So another one is right here. So watch. This one actually is a solid one. Hope this video was helpful for you. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you very soon in the next one. Bye.